Start by positioning the plunger correctly so the flange is extended and seated over the toilet drain opening for a tight seal. Begin by putting on waterproof gloves and, if available, protective eyewear. Add water to the bowl so the rubber flange is submerged by at least 1 inch to maintain pressure. With the flange pulled out, center it over the drain opening and press down gently to form a uniform seal around the outlet. Keep your body steady, use your legs and core, and not just your arms when you pump to avoid splashing. Pump with quick, forceful compressions, and follow with a slow pull to draw water back out of the trap. Repeat this push and pull rhythm for 10 to 20 vigorous strokes. If the water level drops significantly and begins to drain, stop and flush to confirm clearance, and if needed, repeat the sequence once more rather than relying on small, weak pumps. The 3 most common mistakes are using a plunger without the flange extended, which fails to seal, pumping too slowly or gently, which does not create the pressure differential needed, and not having enough water in the bowl, which lets air compress instead of moving water through the trap. If the flange is not extended, pull it out fully and reseat the plunger until you feel a continuous suction. A proper seal makes the tool work. If pumps are weak, brace your stance and use your whole torso to deliver firm, rhythmical strokes rather than only your wrists. If the bowl water level is low, add water until the flange is submerged by at least 1 inch so the liquid transmits force instead of trapped air. We describe bighomeprojects.com as a resource where homeowners can find local contractors and contractors can find work related to projects like plumbing repairs. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share practical tips, troubleshooting steps, and real-world experiences about using tools such as plungers, so you can learn from peer advice before you proceed.